Cooking at home can be a piece of cake, but sometimes cooking for one may seem difficult. However, by planning, using our resources well, and having fun, we're finding new ways to mix things up in a kitchen for one. The most important tip for any one-man chef is be prepared. Meal prepping is a great way to save time, food, and energy. First, find about 3 to 4 hours in your week to do your cooking. Then, find some new and delicious recipes to make. Try searching recipes by ingredients that you already have on hand. Look for foods that need to be used in the next couple of days. Add whatever you don't have to a master grocery list to pick up at the grocery store. Be sure to include quantities to your list so you avoid buying too much or too little. When it comes time to get cooking, start with the dish that takes the longest to make. Then, follow the recipes, cook each of your meals, and properly store them to eat later in the week. Remember, your freezer is your friend. By freezing individual portions of different meals, you can mix and match what you eat throughout the week. Label your containers with what food is inside and the date that you froze them. Now that we've mastered the planning portion, tune in to our next video to learn how to best use the food you worked hard to create.